Now, the largest fish bypass, yep, you heard me right, in the UK is more than halfway to completion in Nottinghamshire. The work will create what it can only be described really as a bus lane for fish and eels in Colic. The project's costing almost £10 million. Well, our reporter Emma Snow's had a bit of a walk through the bypass before, luckily, it gets filled with water.
You might be wondering what a fish bypass is. Well, it helps fish and eels get around a barrier in the river, like the Home Sluices site at Colic Country Park, which stops Nottingham from flooding. That makes the water flow too fast for fish to swim up the River Trent. The fish motorway was the idea of Simon from the Environment Agency, who noticed that the salmon were struggling to travel upstream there.
You create a channel and you break the height difference down into very small steps rather than one large step. So instead of the 4 metres of the sluices, we've got 20 centimetre barriers and fish can get through.
At 6 metres deep, 6.5 metres wide and 200 metres long, this fish bypass will help fish reach their spawning and feeding grounds at the top of the River Trent. Because of this, it will help increase the population of migratory fish, particularly salmon and also the critically endangered European eel.
As soon as this is finished, all fish species will be able to get through and will be able to do much better.
This might look like a piece of Lego, but it's actually an eel tile.
And you've got to ensure that the very good swimmers like salmon can get through, but also the very poor swimmers like eels. They want very slow water, so what we have is something called an eel tile, and that goes onto the base of the pass, and the eels can get through that because the water through those tiles is very slow.
The whole project is expected to be completed by August next year. Emma Snow, BBC Midlands Today, Colic.